All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some work gloves. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. Again, if your dishwasher is an integrated model, the cabinet door will need to be removed from the dishwasher. On this model, it's held in by 4 T20 Torx screws found here. Some models will have rounded screws for the door and then flat screws that hold the control panel in place. Remove the 4 rounded top screws holding the cabinet door to the dishwasher. The cabinet door can then be detached from the dishwasher and placed to one side. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to lean the dishwasher on its back to make for easier filming. You should be able to keep your dishwasher upright when replacing the housing mirror, as it's only the access panel or kick plate that needs to be removed. Pop a pair of work gloves on and then remove the 2 screws holding the access panel in place. With a flathead screwdriver, lift the access panel up. Unclip the electrical connector for the display module. The housing mirror is located here on the access panel. To remove, simply slide it down and the housing mirror will unclip. Just be careful as the panel's metal edges can be sharp. Unpackage your new dishwasher housing mirror. Hold it with the longer plastic edge at the top. Insert it into position, then slide it downward until it clicks into place. The display module projects the light/status image into the housing mirror, and the mirror redirects that projected image onto the kitchen floor. Reclip the electrical connector back in place on the display module. Reattach the kick plate, also called the access panel. Rescrew the 2 Torx T20 screws back in to hold the kick plate in place. Reattach the cabinet door to the dishwasher by the fixing brackets. Line up the screw end with the existing hole on the cabinet door and tighten. Repeat for the others. And that's it. Your new dishwasher housing mirror is all set to go.